Hello everyone and welcome to this Facebook session. Today we are going to talk about how to set up your Facebook advertising account in order to start advertising. My name is Margarita Zinger and I'm your teacher for today. So let's start with how do you set up your advertising account. First of all, you log in into your personal Facebook profile. And from your personal Facebook profile, on your right in the corner, you have an arrow. And by clicking on it, just here, you will have all of this menu. For those of you who already started to advertise a little bit, you will have Manage Ads. And for those of you who didn't start anything yet, you will have Create Ads. So it's basically the same thing. It will take us to the same place. We click on it. Here you will see your personal advertising account, your name probably, or name of your business if you already started to advertise on it. In order to go in, you just click on the name. I will go back for a second and show this step for someone who didn't start advertising and who clicked on Create Ad right now. So let's see how it will look. If you just started and you clicked on Create Ads in your main menu, this is the screen that you're going to get. In order to go and continue with what I'm about to show you, you need to close this window because we're not about to create campaign at this moment. So just close it. Close without saving. And you will get to the exact same place as we are right now. This is the main menu of Ads Manager. You can see it on your left, Ads Manager. So in order to set up your account, you need to go to the menu of your advertising account, which you can find right here on your left in the corner. 3 lines, as you can see, near your Ads Manager menu. Just click on them. This is your frequently used menu. In order to open everything else, we just go here and click on All Tools. And here we are going to go to Settings. It doesn't matter if you want to edit your Facebook account or to change something on your computer, you always go to Settings. So same thing goes for Facebook account. Right now we are in our settings for our advertising account, and this is the data that we can see, our ad account setup. Here we can set up our ad account as we wish. If you have a business and you want to run ads for your business, I would suggest to fill in all the details of your business. Here you have a business name, business address, and so on. Later on, you can use this information for taxes purposes. You simply can use your Facebook invoices that will be on your business name. If you don't have a business, you don't have to set it up right now, but just so you know where you can do it from. If you didn't start advertising here, besides your business information, you can set up your currency, if it's USD dollars, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, or whatsoever, and your time zone. Once you set up your currency, you can't change it anymore. Same goes for your time zone. So if you live in Australia, for example, but your target audience, your market is in UK, your time zone will be different. So maybe it makes sense to set up your time zone for UK instead of Australia, because you will start your campaigns running according to UK's time and not Australian. So think about it. How is the best way for you to set up this accounts? So let's go over all of those options and let's see what is relevant to you and what can you change, what can you add. Ad account name, it's important, but only you can see it. If in case you have more than one ad account, it will really help you out. So just give it a name that will make it easier for you to remember what are you using this account for. Then, as we talked about, you have time zone, you have currency, then advertising purpose. This is just something that Facebook wants to know. You don't have to change here anything. Then it is business name and business address that you can fill in, business country, tax ID number. This is something that you need to have for your Facebook invoices in case you really need them. And ad agency in case you're using someone else to help you with your ads. So this is how you set up your advertising account. Just fill in all the details and keep in mind that you can choose your time zone and your currency only once. So when you're done with your editing, just click on save right here, save changes. And that's how you do it. That's how you set up your account.